Major development in the Karen Reed case. State police fired the lead investigator today, in part because of those text messages he sent about Reed. But that's not the only evidence against him. WBZ's Kristina lays out why state police made this move.
Michael Proctor fired from his job as a trooper, the Mass State Police announced Wednesday, in part for these memorable texts.
She's a whack job. See you.
After 3 hearings, a state police trial board found Proctor guilty of 4 policy violations. First, that he sent derogatory and defamatory texts about a suspect, Karen Reed. That he provided confidential information about the investigation to non-law enforcement personnel. That he created an image that he was biased in his dealings with a homicide suspect. And a separate 4th incident, that he consumed alcoholic beverages while on duty, then drove his cruiser.
I don't see where Colonel Noble had any other choice. Transparency, accountability is how the state police can maintain and or in some cases restore that public trust.
And the head of state police said restoring public trust was part of this decision after months of protests and calls for Proctor's termination. Former trial judge Jack Liu believes it's the wrong decision.
If this were a low publicity case, the logic of that is that he would keep his job.
In a statement, Proctor's family said he has an impeccable record, writing, "We are truly disappointed with the trial board's decision as it lacks precedent and unfairly exploits and scapegoats one of their own." Still, Proctor will be called to the stand in some capacity again in Karen Reed's second trial. Though WBZ's legal analyst isn't sure that his termination will change much.
If I'm being totally honest, I don't know how much it substantially changes because it was so bad the first time. You know, the sort of viciousness of the words that he used about Karen Reed.
Proctor's wife told me that her family was told by the colonel that Proctor's actions were not fireable back in December, which is part of the reason they are so disappointed in this decision. Now, Proctor does have the right to appeal this decision, but state police have indicated to WBZ that they are confident there is sufficient evidence that he would not succeed on appeal. In Framingham, Kristina, WBZ News.